Hey everyone, welcome back to UK Routine. Are you dreaming of living, working, and exploring the UK for up to 2 years? Today, we're diving into the Youth Mobility Scheme visa, your gateway to an unforgettable adventure in Britain. Let's get started. The Youth Mobility Scheme visa lets young people from certain countries live, work, and study in the UK for up to 24 months. It's designed for adventurers and ambitious professionals who want to immerse themselves in British life and culture. But who can apply? It all depends on where you're from. If you're from Australia, Canada, New Zealand, or South Korea, you can apply if you're aged 18 to 35. For other countries like Andorra, Iceland, Japan, Monaco, San Marino, and Uruguay, the age limit is 18 to 30. There are also options for certain British overseas citizens. And don't forget, you'll need to have at least £2,530 in savings to prove you can support yourself. Timing is key. You can apply as early as 6 months before your travel date. For instance, if you're planning to travel on January 15th, you can submit your application from July 16th onward. After applying online and completing your biometric appointment, you'll usually hear back within 3 weeks. Let's talk money. The Youth Mobility Scheme visa requires an application fee of £298, plus a healthcare surcharge of about £776 per year. Be sure you factor these costs into your budget. And if you're from Australia, Canada, or New Zealand, you also have the option to extend your visa by an extra year. What can you do with this visa? You're free to work in most jobs, study, even set up your own company within certain limits, and even become self-employed. However, there are a few catches. You can't work as a professional sportsperson, claim public funds, or include family members on your application. Gathering your documents is crucial. You'll need a valid passport or equivalent proof of identity, a bank statement proving you have at least £2,530 in savings, and your tuberculosis test results if you're coming from a country that requires it. Depending on your nationality, additional documents might be needed, like criminal record certificates or an official letter from your home country's authority. Always check the specific requirements before you apply. The entire application process is online. Start by filling out your application on the official UK government website. Depending on your passport and location, you'll either use the UK Immigration ID Check app to verify your identity or schedule a visit to a visa application centre for your biometrics. Remember, if you need an appointment, plan ahead as your documents might be held during processing. If you have a child while you're in the UK, note that they won't automatically become a British citizen. You'll need to apply for their visa separately if you plan to travel together. Make sure you have a full UK birth certificate for your child, including both parents' names. Good news for our friends from Australia, Canada, and New Zealand. You can extend your visa for 1 additional year after your initial 24-month period. To do this, simply apply online before your current visa expires while you're still in the UK. The extension process is similar to your original application. Let's quickly recap. The Youth Mobility Scheme visa lets you live and work in the UK for up to 2 years, provided you meet the age, nationality, and financial requirements. The process is completely online, and while there are a few costs involved, it opens up a world of opportunities. Always double-check the latest requirements on the official UK government website before you apply. Thanks for watching our comprehensive guide on the Youth Mobility Scheme visa. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to UK Routine for more travel and immigration tips, and drop your questions or experiences in the comments below. Remember, proper planning is the key to turning your UK dreams into reality. Until next time, happy travels!